I hope you all are fit and fine. I am back again with my second video, and let me tell you that in the first video I got a lot of support from you all. Thank you very much for supporting me. Today again there is something very interesting for you, and I'm sure it is going to be imprinted on your mind forever. So before I start, please do subscribe my channel, press the bell button icon and stay tuned till the end. Before I start, I want to ask you one question. Whenever you go through a book, do you keep searching the word meanings? I am sure not, because it makes the reading boring. But think about the vocabulary part. If you won't search the word meanings of the tough words you come across, that means you are not adding anything new. And after reading a book of 200 pages, if you don't add anything new, that means you are not enhancing your vocabulary, which is not good. We should keep adding something new every day. पढ़ते समय हमें हमेशा टफ वर्ड्स को डिक्शनरी में देख लेना चाहिए। अगर हम उस वर्ड को डिक्शनरी में नहीं देखेंगे तो हम उसका मीनिंग ठीक से नहीं जान पाएंगे। वर्ड को सीखने के लिए हमें वर्ड को अपना बनाना बहुत जरूरी है, और वर्ड को अपना बनाने के लिए वर्ड का मीनिंग और उसे सेंटेंस में कैसे यूज करना है उसे जानना बहुत जरूरी है। Always be ready to turn the pages of the dictionary. But these days you need not bother about it, because everything is there at your fingertips. बहुत लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो हमेशा डिक्शनरी का यूज करते हैं वर्ड्स को सीखने के लिए, और जो लोग ऐसा करते हैं उनके पास अभी अच्छी वोकैबुलरी है। मैंने पिछले वीडियो में भी आपको कहा है, इन्वॉल्वमेंट इज लर्निंग। जितना आप खुद को इन्वॉल्व करोगे कोई भी चीज सीखने के लिए, उतना ही वो चीज आप अच्छे से सीख पाओगे। योर इंटेंशन शुड बी keep adding new things, new vocabulary. For that, you need to take a little pain. Whenever you come across such tough words, just take a pause, go to its meaning, search it in the dictionary, and if possible, keep a pencil with you. Don't just think that you are making a paper and a book dirty. It is the productive dirt, and you should keep making it. Now you are going to listen an audio. Listen the audio very carefully so that you can answer the further questions. Here we go. Sorrows and sufferings are a part of life. We must not grudge them. The existence of sorrows and sufferings should not make us dejected. We must do our duty. The world is like a looking glass that reflects our inner self. We must always look at the bright side of things. There are some sweet-natured persons who radiate delight wherever they go. We must always greet everybody with a pleasant smile, even if the life has numerous blessings of life. Sorrows and anxieties are unavoidable. We can make our life a comedy or a tragedy. It all depends upon our thinking, but no evil can even occur to a noble person. Did you understand everything in the video? If not, give it one more go. If you find any tough words in the audio, please don't just skip it. Take a little pain, pause the audio, search the word meanings of that particular word in the dictionary. Try to find the word meanings of that particular word then and there. By doing this, you are making the word your own, and in this way your vocabulary will also enhance. The words which I have sorted from the audio are tough, which you may know the meaning, but it is for the one who don't know the meaning. So let us learn or know the way how to remember the words and its meaning effortlessly. To remember the words effortlessly, what we need to do? We need to either visualize it or associate with something. These three words which I have sorted from the audio to discuss over. The first word is delight. Delight means happiness. हम happy कब रहते हैं? जब हमारे चेहरे पे glow रहता है, जब हमारे चेहरे पे light रहता है. And you can see that in the word delight, light is already present. So whenever you come across with the word delight, just relate it with light. और हमारे चेहरे पे light कब रहता है? जब हम खुश रहते हैं. So delight means happiness. तो क्या आपको लगता है कभी ये वर्ड delight आप भूल पाओगे? जब भी आपको ये वर्ड delight दिखे तो उस लाइट को याद कीजिए. लाइट जो हमारे चेहरे पे तब आता है जब हम खुश रहते हैं. इसका मतलब delight means happiness. The second word is dejected. Dejected means sad. So now you rhyme the word dejected with rejected. How you feel when someone rejects you? You feel sad. The feeling is the meaning of the word dejected. आपको कैसा लगता है जब कोई आपको रिजेक्ट कर देता है? आपको बुरा फील होता है, आप दुखी हो जाते हैं. बुरा फील होने का मतलब ही होता है dejected. So just simply relate the word dejected with the word rejected. The third word is grudge. The meaning of the word grudge is ill feelings or to misjudge someone. So in order to relate the word or to remember the word with its meaning, I am supplying you a mantra. Chant it 3 to 4 times and definitely you are going to remember it forever. A person who misjudge always keeps a grudge. एक और आसान सा तरीका है इस वर्ड को याद रखने का. हमारे शास्त्रों के अनुसार इंसानों में 3 गुण होते हैं, सत्वगुण, रजोगुण और तमोगुण. इस वर्ड ग्रज में एक रज का साउंड है जो हमारे रजोगुण से रिलेट करता है. रजोगुण में काम, क्रोध और द्वेष की भावना है. तो जब कभी भी आपको ये वर्ड ग्रज दिखे तो उसे सीधा रज से रिलेट कीजिए. रज में जो 3 भावना है उसमें से आप द्वेष भावना से इसे रिलेट कीजिए तो आप इसे अच्छे से समझ पाएंगे. सो ग्रज मीन्स इल फीलिंग्स. इसे हिंदी में कहेंगे द्वेष की भावना. आपको क्या लगता है कभी ये 3 वर्ड्स को आप कभी भूल पाएंगे? नहीं ना. आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन पे जरूर बताइए. फ्रेंड्स, if you have any idea to relate the words or to associate the words, please let me know in the comment section. Friends, I hope you got something very interesting and something different in the video. Let us not limit it to these many things only. You can relate, you can associate your own. So, if you find something different or something you can relate, please let me know. So friends, I hope you like the video. If you have any funny ideas to relate the words to remember the words, please let me know. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell button icon. Till then, bye bye. See you again. Veena Slowly.